Hello guys! Hi sa inyong lahat. I need to stay home kasi mas maganda ang aura ko kapag nagstay home ako guys. At kapag nasa labas ako guys, nakakasira ng aking beauty. You know what? I've been there to buy something but there's a load but there's no Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi in telephone is still not working. Kaya if they are thinking guys that I will call Falmgren to spend load, no way. They know how to play my life, I can play their life too. For fun. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, pinaglalaruan nila ako eh. Alam nila na bumibili ako ng load, naglo-load ako sa Libara, because I need Wi-Fi, I need data. Kaso lang dahil pinaglaruan nila ako ngayon, well, magbibingi-bingihan din ako guys. Kunwari wala akong alam na may trabaho ako. O kaya sasabihin ko na wala kasi akong load dahil sira na ang SIM card ko. Kaya ano pa bang gagawin ko guys? Pupunta doon sa Bigma na hindi makalagin dahil bumili ako ng load na hindi naman nag-work. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, kailangan ko ng 99 na load to have a data. Ayun guys, tinignan niya lang ako. Alam mo, tumingin lang siya sa akin. Akala ko kasi ay nag-expensive na ang load. Naging 100 na. Ang resulta nga guys, ganun nga. Walang Wi-Fi. Kaya yun guys, no? Yun na lang ang gagawin ko guys. Magbingi-bingihan ako dito sa loob ng bahay. Maghihintay ng tulong ng Tibibian. At itong bahay na to guys ay pinor sale. Naka-sale na sa internet. Natagpuan ko sa Google na for sale. Nakalagay doon is 2022 kung saan nag-divorce kami. Kaya ito guys, kailangan niyang ibigay sa akin ang kalahati para makalayas ako sa country nila. Dahil sa totoo lang guys, nakaka-stress mamuhay sa Denmark. Yung hindi ko naranasan doon, sa Pilipinas, naranasan ko ang pinaka-worst na buhay sa Denmark. Kaya these times, guys, I need Auntie Bibian help to move away here because they are not happy if I'm here in their country. After all scandal that they done in my life, that, they earn money using my, my naked body, yes, that I didn't know. Silent way, guys. But every time that I'm going out, I heard that they are laughing at me because they can see me even in the toilet, even in my room. Honestly, it's not funny. Why you need to do that? If you have a good thinker, if you think good to others, you don't need to do that. If it's embarrassing to yourself, it's embarrassing to others too. Wala akong guys, Wi-Fi. Wala akong Wi-Fi guys sa cellphone ko dahil yun nga ang nangyari guys. Kaya hindi ko kailangan pagpilitan ang sarili ko sa countering ito na hindi ako tinatratong matino. Kaya kung sa tingin nila guys, magpapakamiserable ako at pagsiksikan ko ang sarili ko para magkaroon ng trabaho at para mabuhay sa countering ito. Ay hindi ko na problema yun. Bakit? I try my best guys in how many years. I stay here, I do what is best for me so I can earn money, so I can survive for living. But the problem is they make way to destroy my, SIM card that I cannot communicate to anyone. How nice. Nice meeting you guys. You're really, really nice to me. Thank you so much that I stay in this country, that I have a miserable life, that I know in myself that we are not deserved to have that kind of life. Have a nice day sa inyong lahat. God bless you all. I hope that all that you done in my life, I hope that all of you guys is very, very happy and success for making me sad to this country. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.